How to install ESPN BET app. So just tap get and then yeah, you should be able to install. Just double click to install it. Yeah, official sportsbook of ESPN. Introducing ESPN BET, the new official sportsbook of ESPN. Explore our auction-backed sportbook loaded with exclusive odds boosts, customer offers, and suite of cutting-edge features. Fast load time, secure transactions, and seamless navigation. ESPN BET serves up the ultimate online sports wagering experience. So yeah, seamless registration process, deposits and withdrawals, quick bets, parlay plus, create parlays with the same game on select sports. So yeah, this is kind of the app. It seems it's just going viral. I don't know if it was just released recently or I think yeah actually. So here you can see that. Yeah, and it's already getting like a lot of ratings. I think, however, that it's only available in US at this moment. If you have so if you have an existing Barstool Sportsbook account, you must use your Barstool Sportsbook email. This will be your credential for ESPN BET. And then yeah, here you have this app, and then you just have your bets. You need to sign up. So here you can see that this app is only available in United States, and it's only available in certain United States. You can still browse markets and deposit funds, but you must be physically in the states below to place bets. So like you can see Arizona, Colorado, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, New Jersey, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Tennessee, Virginia, West Virginia. So, and then how to create an account. You just need last 4 digits of your SSN security number, and then ID, a driver license or passport, so that you can create an account here. And then yeah, here you can see some live scores, and then you can also browse like what you want to explore here. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So yeah, something around this. That's how it works. That's the app, and then you just have your account. Yeah, that's just a quick overview. Quite nicely designed app. So yeah, you can just take a look.